Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Core i5 9th generation i5 9400F. This is the one. This processor is the 9th generation processor by Intel and uses LGA 1151 socket. Now bear in mind that this one you need discrete graphic card required, which unlike the previous generation, this does not come with iGPU. So if you want to use this processor, you need a discrete graphic card. Let's go over to the specs here. So the base clock is 2.9 GHz and it can turbo up to 4.1 GHz, and it comes with 9 MB of cache here. It also comes with 3 years warranty. As you can see, 3 years warranty, and it requires a motherboard based on Intel 300 series chipset with LGA 1151 socket. And without further ado, let's unbox this. So, as you can see, this is the box itself, and here is the menu inside. Oh, it's actually tapped. Yep. And here is a sticker. I don't think it's nice. I don't think it's good to tear from here. And only one sticker provided. And here is the processor itself together with the heatsink. And let's take out the process. Let's see. So this is how you take this out. And here is the stock heatsink itself. This processor is a 65-watt processor, so it only needs a very tiny heatsink here. As you can see, 4 pin here, so it can be fan controlled. Without overclocking, since this processor does not overclock, this cooler, stock cooler, is actually good enough to cool it, and it comes with thermal paste intake, so you can just install it right afterwards. And let's see the model here. It's by Foxconn E97379-003. Now let's set that aside. Be careful of the not touching the thermal paste, and let's open up the processor here. So the processor is very secure, I would say. This is a very budget conscious packaging, I would say. So here is the processor itself. As you can see, no pins on the CPU, unlike AMD. Oh, look at that, so many tiny transistors here. And it's made in Malaysia. So let's put it back and set it down. That is all from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends if you find this useful. Bye bye.